Hi guys, welcome to another edition of SuperToy. Today we have this Q11 Legend high-speed hovercraft. You can see it in here, it can go on land, ice and water. And it's by Sima. It's for 14 plus. Here is the remote control, which comes with this set. Here's the back of the box. And here's the other side. Pretty standard box. I'll go ahead and open it and show you guys what we have in here. By the way, I took the manual out already, and here is your user manual for this waterland hovercraft, and there is all the instruction to how to set it up and whatnot. You can look at it and read through this. Some operating skills in here. There are some attention to detail stuff, Q&A, maintenance and repair. Let's see what we have inside this box. I haven't checked it out. Oh, looks like there are some parts in here. Might be a Ziploc bag. Oh, so all our cables and everything is here. There's our little screwdriver. Here's our charging cable, the wiping fabric, battery. Look at this. Here is our hovercraft itself. Pretty light. Back looks like this, very light. And here is our remote control. Here are our two propellers. It's pretty awesome. I close the cover, and here's your screw. This is how you set up the remote control. Now let me go ahead and turn it on. The turn on button is right here. So here's this green LED light coming on when the remote is on. Here is the aerial, and here is the turn left and right. Here is the front and backward. So this is where the battery is. We're gonna go ahead and open this screw up. Just to let you know that I have already plugged in the cables. It's very straightforward. The red goes with the red and the black goes with black. I'll put the cover back in like this and put the screw back in. And let me go and turn on this hovercraft. And here is your on and off button right here. You press it. Look at this. It's turned on right now. And we can feel the air coming from here. When we hit the forward button on the remote, look at this, the propeller is starting to move.
It takes a little bit of time to set, so I can get it on flat surface.
So we're gonna turn on the boat just like this. Here it is, and we're gonna put it on the reservoir water just like this.